Hello everyone, my name is Armina and I have been testing the IntoCPS application tutorials using Spectron, and I worked on Fridays in 3 months. So as Christopher already explained, the IntoCPS is an Electron-based app, and I have used Spectron framework to test the application. And this framework comes with the full API as we have followed, and it's compatible with any testing library, and we have used Mocha. So if we look at the Spectron layers, we see that it has a WebDriver and Selenium, which basically makes it possible to allow user interactions such as click around in the browser. So on the right side, we see we have several tutorials, and on the left side, we can see that the tutorials consist of several steps, so the students can achieve certain features. Yes, and here we have an instance of the application, and here we point the path to the Electron, and before each test, we start the application by run the app.start, and after each test, we run the app.stop. So this is what we have been testing. So a student will basically click on the launch button here, and then the green status will indicate that the COE engine is online. And this is the code for that example, which is taken out of the tutorial 1, step 7. So as we see here, app.client is the WebDriver. And then we can perform a click on the launch button. This is the element here. And then we can get the text and expect that the text contain online. Yes, and here I will start a demo. Just quickly. Yes. So here we have the test folder that consists of several test files, and here we have the code that is written in JavaScript. Yes. And now you have to type npm test to run the test runner. That is the Mocha. Here. And the app is, the Spectron is going to launch the app. Yes. And in every tutorial, we have to find the project we want to test. So this is actually done manually, and we want to automate this part. But all the other tests are automated that we will see in a sec. So if you look at here in a second. Yes, so I think I will go to the end of this demo and show the result, because we are in a bit of hurry here. And we can see that 9 tests passing. Okay, so let me go here. Okay, so the test coverage results so far. All steps for IntoCPS have been tested and covered, but for some of the tutorials, we haven't covered the steps because it uses external tools. And so far, we have achieved sufficient coverage, and we have also developed expertise in testing Electron apps /Node.js test. And current issues that we want to improve in the next steps are, for instance, the manual steps where we choose a project manually. We want to automate that. And also we have some deprecation we want to update. And personally, I could also be interested in other IntoCBS app development, and also if there is need for test GUI of other tools. Yes. That's my talk.